Welcome to AI for Daily Living, where we help make everyday life easier. Whether that's cooking dinner, managing your money, planning a trip, fixing a problem, or staying healthy. Today's topic is recommend new TV series for me to watch. We will show you where to copy a detailed AI prompt to help you with this at the end of this video. Let's be honest, choosing a TV series has become exhausting. You scroll, you sample, you commit, and 2 episodes later, you quit. That's not because you don't like TV. It's because streaming recommendations don't understand you. This is where AI can help when you use it the right way. Instead of asking, "What's popular right now?" this prompt helps AI understand the shows you've actually finished, how much time you have, whether you prefer finished series or ongoing ones, and how much attention you want to give tonight. The result? TV recommendations that fit your real life, not just the algorithm. No more starting shows you abandon. No more endless scrolling. Just thoughtful, personalized suggestions you're more likely to enjoy and finish. See the links in the description to copy and paste a detailed prompt and to receive our free weekly newsletter. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. We publish 5 to 6 videos per month. You never know if this or the next video might change your life for the better.